Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to show you full rim of old rupees 10 of Mahatma Gandhi issue. This package has rupees 100 also, but we will going to show you in second part. So in first part we are going to unbox rupees 10. This is also known as rupees 10 Mahatma Gandhi issue because there is a photo, or you can tell portrait of Mahatma Gandhi . The signature I am having here is of Guram Raja. The whole packet is gem bundle. As you can see, it is not open and from anywhere, and it is sealed packed. It has the original packing of RBI. It has 10 bundle. Thank you friends for watching video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get more notification about Indian currencies.